What if I told you that one simple decision could change your energy, your sleep, your skin, your mood, your weight, your focus, and maybe even your future health? No expensive supplements. No extreme gym routine. No complicated diet plan. Just one decision. No sugar for 30 days. Sounds simple, right? But here's the shocking truth. Most people are addicted to sugar and don't even know it. Not just sweets. Not just soda. Sugar hides in bread, sauces, juices, breakfast cereals, yogurt, energy drinks, even so-called healthy snacks. And when you remove it, your body reacts. Your brain reacts. Your hormones react. Your cravings react. Some changes happen in 24 hours. Some in 7 days. Some in 30 days. And some may change your life permanently. Today, we're breaking down, week by week, what really happens when you stop eating added sugar for 30 days. This is not about starvation. This is not about punishment. This is about transformation. Welcome to the Public Health Room. If you care about your health, your future, and your family, stay with me until the end. What you learn today may change the way you eat forever. Brain first. What do we mean by no sugar? Before we begin, let's clarify something very important. We are talking about eliminating added sugar, soda, sweetened beverages, candy, cakes and pastries, sugary coffee drinks, processed snacks with sugar, flavored yogurts with added sugar, sweet sauces. We are not eliminating natural sugars and whole fruits, vegetables, whole foods. This challenge focuses on removing added sugar, the type that spikes your blood sugar rapidly and overloads your system. Now let's see what happens. Calendar week 1, the shock phase, days 1 to 7. Day 1 to 2, the withdrawal begins. Yes, sugar withdrawal is real. When you consume sugar, your brain releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical, the same reward chemical activated by addictive substances. When you suddenly stop, your brain says, "Wait, where is my reward?" You may experience headaches, irritability, strong cravings, fatigue, mood swings, brain fog. This is not weakness. This is your brain recalibrating. Your body has been used to quick energy spikes. Now it must learn to burn steady fuel instead. And that transition feels uncomfortable. But here's the good news. This discomfort means your body is healing. Day 3 to 4, cravings peak. This is the hardest moment for most people. You may think constantly about sweets. Justify just one bite. Feel tired in the afternoon. Crave bread or refined carbs. Why? Because sugar causes rapid blood sugar spikes, followed by crashes. Without sugar, your insulin levels begin stabilizing, but your body is still adjusting. This is the turning point. If you survive day 4, you are stronger than your cravings. Day 5 to 7, first signs of change. Something interesting happens around the end of week 1. You begin to notice slightly more stable energy, fewer extreme crashes, reduced bloating, less constant hunger, better awareness of real hunger. Your taste buds also begin changing. Foods that once tasted normal now taste sweeter. An apple may taste like dessert. Your brain is resetting its sweetness threshold. And this is powerful. Calendar week 2, the stabilization phase, days 8 to 14. Now things get interesting. Energy becomes more stable. Without constant sugar spikes. Insulin stabilizes. Blood sugar levels balance. Energy becomes smoother. You no longer depend on a sugary snack to survive the afternoon. Instead of roller coaster energy, you experience steady fuel. And steady energy means better productivity, better focus, better mood. Mental clarity improves. Many people report clearer thinking, better concentration, less mental fog. Why? Because extreme blood sugar fluctuations affect brain performance. When sugar intake drops, your brain receives more consistent fuel. And consistent fuel equals sharper thinking. Cravings decrease dramatically. The same dessert that once controlled you, it no longer feels irresistible. Your brain chemistry is balancing. Your dopamine system is recalibrating. You begin choosing food instead of being controlled by it. That is freedom. Calendar week 3, the visible transformation, days 15 to 21. Now the external changes begin. Keycap 1 skin improvement. Sugar contributes to inflammation in the body. High sugar intake may worsen acne, oily skin, dull appearance. By week 3, many people notice clearer skin, reduced breakouts, healthier glow. Your body is reducing inflammatory stress. Keycap 2 belly fat reduction begins. Excess sugar, especially from sugary drinks, promotes fat storage, particularly around the abdomen. When sugar decreases, insulin levels reduce. Fat storage slows. Fat burning becomes easier. You may not lose dramatic weight in 3 weeks, but clothes may fit better. Your stomach may feel flatter. Bloating decreases, and motivation increases. Keycap 3 improved sleep. High sugar intake can disrupt sleep patterns. By week 3, you fall asleep faster. You wake up less. You feel more refreshed. Stable blood sugar at night improves sleep quality, and good sleep improves everything else. Calendar week 4. The metabolic reset, days 22 to 30. Now your body has adapted. This is where transformation becomes noticeable. Keycap 1 improved insulin sensitivity. Your cells respond better to insulin. This means better blood sugar control, lower risk of type 2 diabetes, reduced metabolic stress. For many people, fasting blood sugar improves. This is long-term protection. Keycap 2 weight loss becomes visible. By 30 days, many people lose 1 to 4 kilograms, depending on starting weight and lifestyle. But more importantly, waist circumference reduces. Face appears slimmer. Water retention decreases. It's not just weight loss, it's inflammation loss. Keycap 3 emotional stability improves. Sugar highs and crashes affect mood. After 30 days, fewer mood swings, less irritability, reduced anxiety spikes, greater emotional balance. Stable blood sugar supports stable emotions. Keycap 4 relationship with food changes. This may be the most powerful transformation. You realize you were not hungry. You were conditioned. You begin eating intentionally. You enjoy food, but food no longer controls you. That psychological freedom is priceless. Warning: hidden surprises people don't expect. After 30 days, many people say, I don't even want sugar anymore. Because natural foods taste better. Energy feels cleaner. Crashes feel uncomfortable. Overly sweet foods taste artificial. Your palate has changed. And once your taste resets, going back feels unnatural. Cup withdrawal where sugar hides. Before you start this challenge, remember, sugar hides in ketchup, bread, breakfast cereal, flavored milk, energy drinks, granola bars, processed sauces, sweetened tea, and coffee. Always check labels. If sugar appears in the first few ingredients, think twice. Lightbulb practical tips for success. If you want to try this, drink more water. Increase protein intake. Eat whole fruits instead of juice. Choose whole grains. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Prepare meals at home. Remove sugary snacks from your house. Environment shapes behavior. Make healthy choices easier. Fire the deeper truth. Sugar is not evil, but excessive added sugar is a modern problem. We were not designed to consume large amounts daily. Reducing sugar protects your heart, protects your pancreas, protects your brain, protects your future. Small discipline, massive reward. Direct hit 30-day challenge invitation. I challenge you. Try 30 days. No added sugar. Track your energy, your mood, your sleep, your weight, your skin. Then come back and tell us what changed. Transformation begins with one decision. You don't need extreme diets. You don't need punishment. You need awareness. When you remove what harms your body responds with healing. 30 days without added sugar may not just change your body. It may change your mindset, your discipline, your confidence, your relationship with food. If you found this valuable, subscribe to the Public Health Room, where we transform health knowledge into real-life change. Like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and comment below. Starting today, your health is your wealth, and it starts with one choice. See you in the next video. Flex biceps.